While Tasmania's public servants are bracing for job cuts, it seems the Premier's looking for new recruits. The government is aiming to cut up to 1,700 public sector jobs, but has just advertised 5 new external positions. It comes amid fears an award-winning dementia unit is about to be closed at the Royal Hobart Hospital as part of the budget savings.
It only opened last year and has received international acclaim, but unions fear the Royal Hobart Hospital's specialised dementia unit is the latest casualty of the state government's razor gang.
It's just crazy. Tasmanians need to ask the government, what are your priorities?
The $20,000 Nell Williams Dementia Ward was the first of its kind in Australia. All the equipment that would normally be seen in an emergency department is hidden to make the surroundings less intimidating. The facility was created in response to the state's ageing population. Tasmania is expected to have 26,000 dementia patients by 2050.
We're getting more and more aged people, more and more people with dementia. It is a very sad day.
The unit, which requires no extra staff and has no ongoing costs, last year won an International Design Award in London. At the time, the Health Minister sang the facility's praises, saying it was an outstanding achievement for the Royal Hobart Hospital.
It's an outrage that this government would consider it an appropriate response to its budget mismanagement.
There's concern a total of 14 emergency department beds will close at the Royal this week. The government says no decisions have been made, but wouldn't rule it out. It's also been forced to defend last week's edition of the Government Gazette. The Premier's advertised 5 new external positions.
So the government is going through a recruitment process to bring people from outside the public sector into the public sector at the same time that they are cutting 1,700 jobs.
A government spokesman says jobs are only advertised externally if there are no suitably qualified employees and if it's determined the position is an essential role.
None of the jobs that we've looked at require specialist skills. They are basic admin work that I would have thought there would have been hundreds of people being displaced across the public sector who could have filled.
A public sector becoming more anxious by the day. Anna Yard, ABC News.